welcome back to my channel Aroma More. Today we will make this rich and creamy yet healthy and low carb version of a mushroom sauce. So keep watching. Take a non-stick pan, pour the olive oil into it and let it heat on medium flame. You can also add butter, but we will stick to olive oil since we are making a healthy version of this sauce. Add the onions and let them saute till they become translucent. Now add the garlic and saute till they are brown in color. Add the mushrooms and saute on high flame for about 2 to 3 minutes. If you saute this on low flame, the mushrooms will release water and we do not want that. After this, add the Italian seasoning, salt, pepper and stir thoroughly. Now that the mushrooms are cooked, reduce the flame to medium and add the wheat flour. Saute this for 2 to 3 minutes. Again, we could have added maida instead, but we are going healthy. You can see that the color has changed to brown. That means this is now done. Add the milk and stir continuously till it is thoroughly mixed to prevent the flour from lumping up. Let this simmer on low flame with the lid on top for about 10 minutes. Keep stirring this occasionally, otherwise the sauce will stick to the bottom. Our 10 minutes are up. Open the lid and check how it looks. Now it is time to add some of my secret ingredients to this. Add a pinch of nutmeg. This will give it a very earthy flavor. Also add some chili sauce to this to give it a kick of spice. Now give this a good stir. You can see how thick and creamy this is even without adding the cheese. Sprinkle some fresh herbs on this. Adjust the spices as well as the consistency of the sauce. If it is too thick, add some milk. If it is too thin, let it boil for a little longer till some water evaporates. Our low carb mushroom sauce is ready. You can serve this with herbed rice, grilled chicken, grilled paneer, sauteed vegetables or even mashed potatoes. So do try this healthy and low carb mushroom sauce at home, and do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel Aroma More.